All right, so what's left in this container is a little bit of miscellaneous stuff, but I think I could end up putting some of it in these small containers. And then over here, those two are basically ready to go, and they will both fit in the pink box. And then over here we have a few more items. The one that has the glass bottles, that should be able to fit right in the pink container as is. But then the little mini dishes, I think I'll have to get into maybe one of these again. So that's what we're going to work on today. Is this'll, if we can get that done, this'll be a wrap, and that'll be ready to put in my craft room and ready to go. While I'm organizing, I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much for being here. And if you are new, welcome. Things are going pretty good for myself and my family. Everybody's, pretty busy doing stuff. Amanda's finishing up this session of college. I think she finishes in May. So she's just working hard on, keeping grades up and all that. And my son Brandon bought a house that he is refurbishing. So he works all day and then he goes and he works on that at night. So he's busy. And Andrew, there's been some changes for Andrew, but all in all, he's doing quite well. And actually, he's got a birthday coming up. He will be 26 years old this month, which I can't even believe. So we're gonna have a little party for him and get tacos and all those kind of goodies. So that's my personal update for you. Let's get back to our organizing. Hi friends, well, we've done it. Everything's organized. So I'm going to show you around real quick. So this container came with my big pink organizing unit. So what I have in here is mostly charms, but I have also just a few miscellaneous items, like these are like little belt buckles. But it's mostly charms, as you can see. And then these did not come with my unit, but I had them. So I put a few miscellaneous items in here. These are like little hangers and little tiny clothespins. And then these are my little miniature dishes and stuff like that. I hope this angle's okay. So anyway, I wanted to show you where I'm gonna put this, and this, and also this. These are the little miniature glass bottles. So we're gonna put the charms in here. I'm hoping that these will fit in. Actually, that shouldn't be a problem at all. And then I'm wondering if these will fit in. Let me see if I can lay these down, and then maybe these can go over top. Okay, so that all fits in there. Now, since I have this angled the way that I do, I'll show you what's in the drawers. So we've got, I like to call this our industrial area. I have the ball chain necklaces, and then I have my faux leather necklaces here. And then I basically have braided leather and other items. I also have the metal, like, for beading and whatever. I have this extra chain, this gold chain, these clasps, and then I have our key chains down here. And then above that, we have all of these items, which I showed you guys before. I'll give you a little close up here. I hope that angle's okay. I can't quite tell. Let's see here. So in here you can see that we've got earrings, but these we'll end up using on tassels as centerpieces. And these, would go on flip-flops, but we'll use these as centerpieces. I have them divided into florals, and this is mostly leaves. We have different animals in here. This is kind of like just glamour, whatever. This is our bronze stuff. And this is like miscellaneous kind of bronzy, darky stuff too. These are our button covers, miscellaneous brighter charms. Over here I've got a lot of the watch faces and then some blue. And then this is a lot of our black and silver. And then in this drawer we have mostly necklaces that are still strong. They are beads that I will work with for my tassels, but that are still either a full necklace or part of a necklace. And you know, I tried to basically color code them just like the other stuff. So here we've got some tools and some bookmark, like, you know, like the pieces that you can make bookmarks, and more tools. And then this is like clear string. These are mostly seed beads, however there are a few larger ones here. And as I use up stuff that I don't really use that much of, and I know that sounds weird to say, but I can put other stuff in here. But for example, I don't love these gold beads, so I will end up using those inside of shakers as I start to practice making my shaker cards. Anyway, we have our O-rings and some beads. This is a lot of just, you know, O-rings that we work with. Here are earring things, like, you know, to make earrings. So that's what's in this level. When we close that up, you can see that this top level are all the round beads. Now, our exceptions would be our square dice that are in here, and this one popcorn, because I wanted to keep the popcorn with the yellow beads so I didn't forget to use them together. But we've got purple and pink and white and orange, and then purple and black, and then silver and green and like peach, and then more purple but kind of a lavender, and then blue and red. So I tried to color coordinate them as best as I could. Thanks for watching. See you soon.